Yun. So after that, you can get the grand total. So we have a sum of 48,533 pesos. Welcome to our new learning. This time we have another topic, which is itong bill of materials for waterline system. Actually, this is for one bedroom condo unit. So as you can see, ito. So ito yung sample na kagawa natin ng bill of materials. So this is only typical, more on itong ating ginawang floor plan. Actually, this is only a typical representation. So on my last content, I have do this yung waterline system nitong one bedroom condo unit. So ito yung ginawa nating waterline system. So you can check on my YouTube. Okay, so this one, ito yung content natin. So paano gumawa ng waterline plan and layout for one bedroom condo unit. So i-check nyo na lang paano tayo nag-layout ng ganitong application. So for this time, itong layout natin, gagawa natin ng bill of materials. Okay, so here is our sample BOM na naka-Excel. So meron tayong ginawang parang naka-ano na siya, naka-database na or naka-format na. So ito is for item number, description, yung plumbing fixtures, quantity, unit, materials, unit cost, then total cost, also yung labor, unit cost, total cost, and then yung total amount. So ito yung gamitin nating format to do the bill of materials for our waterline system. Okay, so here is the plan. Ito na yung sa AutoCAD. So kinonvert ko lang to PDF. Ito yung gawa natin ng bill of materials sa waterline. Actually, in this portion, wala ka na makitang waterline fixtures. So focus lang tayo sa toilet and bath saka sa kitchen. Okay, so focus lang tayo dito. Okay, so first thing to do is yung plumbing fixtures. So, ano ba yung mga plumbing fixtures na need ng waterline? So first is itong kitchen sink, one piece. Okay, so yung lavatory natin, okay, so 1 unit. Water closet, 1 unit. So yung shower also 1 unit. Water heater, multi-point, so 1 unit, isang piraso. Also itong ating water meter or sub-water meter. So itong nabanggit kong mga plumbing fixtures, so ito yung i-input natin doon sa ating bill of materials format. Okay, so after checking with the quantity doon sa ating plan, so here is the details. So we have 6 fixtures, water closet, 1 unit. So unit, pag 1 isang piraso lang, pag unit so 2 piraso. So okay, kitchen sink 1 unit, lavatory 1 unit. So shower, water heater saka water meter 1 assembly. So ito yung quantity based doon sa plan na ating binasa. So for the others, i-check natin kung ilang pirasong gate valve, PPR pipes, also yung mga fittings. So first is yung ating gate valve. So itong GB, this is for gate valve. So we have 1 and then 2. So 2 units of 20 mm diameter na gate valve. So also yung ating PPR pipes. So yung ating size is 20 mm diameter PPR. So hot and cold on this itong supply for the kitchen. So yung width natin is 3.416 meters. Yung isang pipe is 4 meters. So if we say one pipe for this. So on this portion, itong sa lavatory, closet, saka shower, if we say isang pipe, yung kanyang run, so meron pa tayong hot and cold plus yung mag-riser pa, and then for this tapping supply, ito say 5 pieces of 20 mm diameter na PPR. Okay, so here is the tally ng ating description sa others. So again, 20 mm diameter na PPR, 5 pieces. So gate bulb, 20 mm, 2 pieces. This is PPR gate bulb. 5 fittings, 1 lot, consumables, 1 lot, saka hydro leak testing. So yung consumables, dito kunin yung mga item na hindi naka-indicate sa ibang mga description. Okay, so after that, meron na tayong fixtures saka others, quantity, unit. So we need to know the materials unit cost. So I have here, may ginawa akong online query, quotation. So let's check kung yung magiging price list nila. Okay, so for the water closet, so meron tayong option, merong rimless, saka ito ring isang lapon sa water closet. So yung isang unit is 7,400, yung isa is 870. So for our BOM representations, so let's choose this 7.4. For the kitchen sink, stainless, meron tayong 1075, yung isa is 1,288. So let's choose this stainless steel sink, single bowl. For the lavatory, so we have modern, we have countertop, lavatory basin, so mayroong color wall hang. So let me say we can choose this one. Ito yung mas mababa, yung lavatory basin. So 3,800. And then for the shower, so water house. Okay, so we can have this, itong 2.6. Gamitin natin price for our price list. So other that, then for the water heater, so actually naka multi-point tayo. Okay, so this is Elegandi multi 8 kilowatt water heater. So we can use this price 8,990. So let's use this price. Okay, for the water meter, naka-submeter tayo, that's 3,149. Okay, for the PPR pipes, so pin 20, hot and cold, 4 meters, so size 1/2, 20 mm. So yung price is 220. Okay, so for the gate bulb, 1/2 tayo, so this is 530 pesos. This is for PPR gate bulb. Okay, so this is just only a representation to show yung ating bill of materials. You can check sa actual project nyo yung specifications na binibigay ni owner, doon kayo magbase. So after we have the prices, so i-input natin doon sa ating bill of materials. Okay, so after sa canvas ng ating price, so we have here yung ating unit cost, water closet, sink, lavatory, shower, heater, water meter 3149, ang PPR pipe 220, PPR gate bulb 530. So yung fittings natin is just an assumption, 1.5. Consumables also we have 5,000. Okay, so hydro leak testing, so assume na meron tayong gamit, so doon na lang tayo sa labor cost. After that, meron na tayong makuhang materials total cost. And then for the total cost sa materials, so it's just a product of unit cost times mo siya ng quantity. After that, you can drag it. Okay, so on with the sa others, unit cost times mo siya ng quantity. Okay, you have also the total cost. And then for the labor cost, so yung ating labor nagre-range siya ng 30 to 40%, so we can use 30% for our BOM. So for the labor cost is just itong unit cost natin ng materials, so just multiply that by 30%. Yun yung napakasunduan nating labor cost. So 30% mo ng unit cost, so 2,220. Okay, so i-drag mo na lang to ulit. So meron na tayong unit cost for each unit. Okay, so kunin mo yung total. Okay, so ito na yung total cost natin ng ating labor. So for the sa others, you can copy na lang 66. Actually ginawa nating round off para walang decimal. Okay, so this one, consumables, pipe fittings. Okay, so for the hydraulic testing, assume na 2,000. So meron tayong gamit. Also with the yung plumber, saka yung kanyang helper. So 2,000. Okay, after that, for the total amount, so it's just the sum of the total labor cost, also sum of materials total cost. Okay, so we have 9,620. So ito yung sum ng material total cost saka labor total cost. After that, you can drag it to the succeeding item, and then for the others, so again labor total cost plus materials total cost. Okay. And then yun, so after that, you can get the grand total. So we have a sum of 48,533 pesos. Okay, so ito yung sum nitong ating plumbing fixtures plus itong others. Okay, so ganun lang kaliit na unit, but you need to have this initial amount para ka maka-layout ng inyong waterline system. So if you asking me ano yung just materials total cost, it's just the sum of this column. Okay, so itong total cost. So yung sum nito, ito yung materials total cost. So kabuuan ng materials. So in this portion, itong column na to, so if you sum this materials, yung plumbing fixtures plus yung others, so we have 12,739. Okay, so yun yung labor. So if you see yung manpower, kaya niya lang gawin within 3 days, 3 to 4 days, tapos na. So itong ating labor cost is pasok po sa kanya with this one skill, also meron ka pang isang helper. Okay, so for this particular example natin, yung ating 1 bedroom condo unit, so kailangan mo ng yung amount kanina, 48,000 plus, almost ito say 50,000 for this waterline system. So it's just only waterline, meron pa tayong sanitary. So pag sanitary naman, actually yung fixtures ma-retain lang yan, so mag-add ka na lang dun sa yung sa mga waste pipe mo saka sa soil pipe. But it is separate topic na naman. But for this, it's just only a waterline system. Okay, so I hope you learned a lot with this sa ating short learning. So this is only initial cost for 1 bedroom condo unit. So madagdagan pa to pag meron pang sanitary saka sa drainage. Okay, so please subscribe para kayo updated sa videos na every time i-upload ko. Thank you.